Hello students, today we are at the point of centrifugal pump 5. In this we will solve another problem related to centrifugal pump. The problem is a centrifugal pump having outer diameter equal to 2 times the inner diameter and running at 1000 rpm works against a total head of 40 meters. The velocity of flow through the impeller is constant. It means Vf1 will be equals to Vf2 and equal to 2.5 meters per second. So Vf1 equal to Vf2 will be equals to 2.5 meters per second. The vanes are set back at an angle of 40 degree at outlet. If the outer diameter of the impeller is 500 mm and width at the outlet is 50 mm, find out the vane angles at inlet, work done by impeller on water per second, and manometric efficiency. So first we have to draw the inlet and outlet. That is, following values are given. Speed is the n equals to 1000 rpm. Head, manometric head, that is hm, 40 meters given. Velocity of flow Vf1 equals to Vf2 equals to 2.5 meters per second. Vane angle at outlet is given, phi equals to 40 degree. Diameter at outlet of impeller is d2 is equal to 500 mm. Inner diameter of impeller, that is the half of the outer diameter, that is 0.5 upon 2, 0.25 meters. Width at outlet b2 is 0.05 meter. Tangential velocity of impeller at an inlet and outlet can be find out with these formula: pi d1 upon 60 and pi d2 upon 60. That comes u1 comes 13.09 meters per second and u2 comes 26.18 meters per second. Discharge through the impeller will be given by pi d2 multiply b2 multiply vf2. That comes 0.1963 meter cube per second. Vane angle at inlet, that can be find out from inlet velocity triangle. So tan theta will be equals to Vf1 upon u1. We know the value of Vf1 and we know the value of u1. So theta can be easily find out. That comes theta equals to tan inverse 0.191, that is equal to 10.81 degrees. Work done by impeller on water per second, it is given by this equation: W upon G multiply VW to U2. The value of W can be replaced by rho GQ upon G. G and G cancel out. Multiply VW to multiply U2. So from here we can find out the value of VW2. We don't know the value of velocity of whirl at outlet. So velocity of whirl can be find out from outlet velocity triangle. But from outlet velocity triangle we have tan phi equals to Vf2 upon u2 minus Vw2. So from here we can find out the value of Vw2, that is equal to 23.2 meters per second, and putting this value of velocity of whirl at outlet in previous equation. So putting the value of Vw2, we find out the work done by impeller, that is equals to 119,227.9 Newton meters per second. Manometric efficiency, by using the formula of manometric efficiency, that is GHM upon Vw2, that comes 64.4%.